You can't hold me down. 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 You can't hold me.
Alright guys, I'm getting ready to change another spindle. So this time I thought I'd go ahead and record how I'm going to do it. This is what the spindle looks like. And it goes up from underneath and bolts into the bottom of the deck. And then the blade hooks onto this thing. And then there's, take this little thing off. That's where that bolt right there goes to hold that blade on there. And my problem is my blade's head fell off. Found the blade, but couldn't find the nut. But that is all screwed up, and even those little keys to hold that blade, that star, are all gone. So I'm not getting the blade to hold up on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and change the whole spindle. So what I first have to do is take this cover off, then unbolt those 4 bolts right here, because it'll be up under there like that. So I'll be unbolting those from underneath. And then pretty much just taking this one and replacing it with that one. I haven't cleaned mine for a while, but I'll go ahead and let you guys see what it looks like on there. Get up closer to it. See, it's just mounted there, and actually it looks like this one goes from the top, so I'm just gonna put it here on top, then put the screws in from underneath. So I said that wrong. Put you guys over here so you guys can see me. Ooh. Well, I just snapped that one off. Looks like I'm going to the next one. I'm going to have to get a screwdriver, clean up some of that stuff around there. Well, that one's busting too. Looks like they're all going to bust off for me. Gonna bust too. Yep. Finally in it. So mine are busted off, guys, but that isn't gonna change anything. Alright, there it is. Like I said, mine were just busting off because they were pretty stuck in there. You can see that when that nut got loose, the blade was spinning and just ate up all those teeth, that star. Also, this isn't locking in there, so I have to replace the whole spindle, even though the spindle part wasn't busted, but back in there like that, and then put the bolts back in. For some of you guys don't know, I'll go ahead and show that. If you guys ever have to replace a blade. Normally if you hit something, you're gonna bust this. This is just aluminum, and they make these to actually break if you hit something so you don't damage the deck and make a big issue. I've had this thing probably about 8 years now, and me and my dad and my sister all use this, so we probably broke about maybe 4 or 5 of these spindles now. So you do hit stuff every once in a while, like mostly if it's a yard you've never done before and the weeds are up, you're gonna hit a brick or something, and sometimes it's gonna bust this. And again, we just had a nut fall off and the blade went off, so there's tons of reasons why you're gonna have to end up changing this. But then once it's on there, you're just gonna take that on there and it's gonna lock into those teeth, and then that nut's just gonna go on there. So you might just have to replace the blade, you might be replacing a spindle. Normally if you're replacing a spindle, you're probably gonna be replacing a blade. So. Alright, that's it. Go ahead and put this blade back on. That's how you change one. Just got to put the belt back on the cover. Ready to start mowing again. Girl might want to see this.
Just a second. He's gonna get his ass busted. That's the boy goes. He's gonna get your ass whooped.